Hello children, welcome to your 7th standard chemistry class. In the previous class, we have discussed the book back exercises for chapter 6, physical and chemical changes. In this session also, we are going to write the question and answer for the same. Write the fourth question. Take your chemistry note and write children, write neatly. Fourth one. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evaluation of a gas. What type of change is it? Explain. Write the answer, children. When baking soda, that means it contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, and lemon juice contains citric acid. Yes. Bubbles are formed. The bubbles are formed due to the evaluation of carbon dioxide gas. This is a chemical change. Then fifth question. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes take place. Give another example of a familiar process in which both chemical and physical changes take place. Write the answer, children. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes take place. What's a physical change, children? Physical change, melting of wax. Then chemical change, burning of wax. Next, another example, the process which takes place both the physical and chemical change. Yes. Eating of food is another example where both physical and chemical changes occur simultaneously. Eating of food is another example where both physical and chemical changes occur simultaneously. Yes, what's a physical change, children? Physical change, breaking down of larger food particles into smaller particles. Then, chemical change, digestion of food. Digestion of food is a chemical change. Then, seventh question. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Write the answer, children. When we burn wood, a new substance, coal, is formed. Therefore, it's a chemical change. However, when we cut wood, only the shape and size of the wood are changed. No new substance is formed. Therefore, it's a physical change. Do you understand the question, children? Cutting and burning of wood are two different type of changes. Yes. In the cutting of wood, there is a change only in the size and shape of the wood. There is no change in the property of the wood. But in the case of burning of wood, it gives ascent smoke. Isn't it, ma? Yes. They produce a new product. So, the burning of wood is a chemical change and cutting of wood is a physical change. Write the next question, children. Sixth one. How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? Write the answer. Once a curd is formed, milk cannot be reobtained from it. Milk cannot be reobtained from it. Also, both milk and curd have different properties. Since these are the properties of a chemical change, setting of curd is a chemical change. Since these are the properties of a chemical change, setting of curd is a chemical change. Yes. Do you understand the question, children? Yes. How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? Once the curd is formed, we can't retain the milk from that curd. It is an irreversible change, and the curd and milk have different properties. So setting of curd is a chemical change. Okay, dear children, write the question and answer in your chemistry note neatly.